So pero dito kasi kung makikita nyo individual candles, medyo alanganin na. Yan, may mga indecisions na dyan. Yan, so medyo nagtatalo na talaga sila dyan. Wala na major trends dyan. So it may go down. So this manifestation could be for a week. Ayan, so maybe next week, yan, bearish na siya talaga, pababa na. Ayan, so let's go for the lower time frame. And ayan, so dito maangat-angat pa siya, pero it may go on range, it may go down here pa. Okay, so that's how you look for an opportunity. Yan, so pag ganyan overstretch na, yan, pwede ka na maglagay ng mga sell positions dyan. Yan, kasi sell naman yung bias natin, and mas maganda kung ano yung bias natin, yun yung hahanapin nating opportunities. And that's it guys, thank you so much.